Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel subscription on Google Play apps. So if you guys an Android user and you subscribe to a certain apps and you want to subscribe it, so I'm gonna show you how. So you just need to click on your profile icon at the top and choose payments and subscription and click on subscription here. Okay, so actually I've already unsubscribed this app, these Pixar apps. So now it show as resubscribe, but let's say that I haven't unsubscribed it. So you just need to click on the apps here. So before you unsubscribe, it will be shown as unsubscribe. Here you just need to click on this icon later, and the Google Play will suggest you to pause the subscription instead of unsubscribe. But if you are sure to unsubscribe the app, just click on unsubscribe, and after that it will be shown like this. So the subscription is cancelled, but if you want to resubscribe again, just click on this. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you. Please click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.